How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To redeem your Best Buy gift card online, simply enter the card details on their online platform during the checkout process. The value of the card will be deducted from your total purchase. Best Buy offers 3 types of gift cards. First, the gift cards that is mailed and is physical kind. Second, the e-gift cards, which is emailed cards that get delivered to your recipient within minutes. And the third one is corporate gift cards, which will allow you to get bulk discounts for your large or small business. Now, in order to get your gift card, in checkout, enter both the card number and 4-digit PIN on the back of your card. If your gift card balance does not cover the total cost of your order, Best Buy will charge you the remaining amount to your primary form of payment listed in your Best Buy account, or to another acceptable form of payment at your request. If the total cost of the order is less than the balance of your gift card, any unused balance will remain on the last gift card you entered. So, this is how you can redeem Best Buy gift card online. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.